Hello guys, it's me Abdikor FX Mentor. This is chapter 4 storyline and MTF lesson 4. In this lesson we will learn rule number 3, which is confirmation of a storyline. When it comes confirming your storyline, first thing is you must get the storyline first to get it started, and you know how the storyline got started, like we have learned in rule number 2. So rule number 2, the start of the storyline is rejection. So after we got a rejection, we must confirm the storyline with a breakout that will be taking place at one time frame lower or two time frame lower. I will show you both one time frame and two time frame lower and how it will really form the breakout. So a storyline without breakout, a rejection without break, means there is no confirmation. If the rejection comes, we must also confirm the storyline with a breakout that is happening one time frame lower from the rejection time frame or two time frame lower. Why one time frame or two time frame? Sometimes you go like I want to tell you how the two time frame and one time frame really is. For example, weekly, if weekly reject this, we will look breakout daily. If daily is not clear, we will look for H4. Okay. If monthly, let me say I would have to start from the monthly, but don't worry. If monthly storyline begins, breakout will be the weekly or daily. Okay, because sometimes you get a weekly rejection and then you want to break out at the daily. Daily is not clear, you cannot see the breakout, so you will go and switch lower time frame, which is lower than the daily one time, which is H4. All right. What about if we get a daily SNR, a daily storyline? If we get a daily storyline, we will look for a breakout of H4 or 4 hour. If H4 breakout is not clear, then we can go again lower, one time frame lower. In both 4 hour and also the 1 hour, there will be two time frame lower. So you will not go below 1 hour in order to get a breakout. Okay, only two time frame. So if weekly storyline, or if we got a rejection of weekly, we must get breakout of daily. If daily is not clear, H4. If we got monthly rejection, we must get weekly breakout. If weekly is not clear, then we must go down daily. If daily is breaking, it's okay. If daily if we got a rejection on the daily time frame, then we must get H4 breakout. If H4 is not clear, then we must go the 1 hour. That will be two time frame lower. After you get the confirmation of the storyline, then what is next? Then the next thing you have to bear in mind and think always is, where is the next level of resistance or support? Why? Because that will be your target, where your target will be. When you get the rejection and confirmation, then the storyline is confirmed. But bear in mind, you have to know where the next level of resistance or support is, because you want to exit there, and that will be the opposite side of the storyline started. Now I must go the charts and show you how to confirm the storyline. All right, let us go on gold. All right, and let us say like daily. I always use weekly and daily, guys. Weekly storyline, since I want to trade. For example, here we have storyline, right? There is SNR and then price rejected. Here there is storyline. So if the weekly storyline is started, if there is a weekly rejection, okay, if there is a weekly rejection, if there is a weekly rejection, we must get breakout at the daily. We have to go daily and then wait the price to break this SNR. Okay, this SNR. If price breaks this SNR, then it will pull back here. So what I mean is like the breakout will be this level. Sorry, this level. So where? So we got this low, and then we are expecting the price to break and then retrace back. Yeah, that's it. So what we want is like we want to get a daily breakout anyway. So the level that we wanted to get the break is a low or high that was formed before the rejection, and that must be the last one, not the all. For example, if I switch to lines, you will see that this low is the low that was formed before the rejection. This is the last low. So there is where I'm expecting to get a breakout. Okay, a breakout. Whenever price comes here and then breaks, then it will go up and then will sell off. So the first days will come here and then it will go. So this is the daily breakout. So what about if we get a storyline or rejection of the daily? Then how can we exactly confirm a daily storyline? For example, I can give you there is open close SNR and then price rejected that open close SNR. You can see that there is rejection here, and that is a storyline. A new storyline begins here. So how can we confirm that this storyline will go up? We go H4 and look for if there is a breakout that the price is then. Okay, so this is the rejection level. Here is the rejection of the daily, right? So we want a breakout here. I can see that the breakout here is not clear on a H4. So I can go one time frame lower, which will be the 4 hour. So when I come the 4 hour, this is the daily rejection. So the breakout of 4 hour was not clear. When I come to 1 hour for 2 time frame lower, there is a structure which is very clear then, and that's what we call 2 time frame lower breakout. And this is 2 time frame lower breakout. So now you know that how to confirm the storyline. Whenever the breakout happens, then price builds or maybe makes what is called pullback. It will pull back where the rejection is, or somewhere here for a decisional points to enter or aim the trade. So exactly that is how price always confirms the storyline. So whenever price breaks this 1 hour structure and then it comes here, then it buys off and then it will continue up until it reaches around the 500 minimum. 500 minimum. I know around 500 minimum. From here till there, you can see it's also above 500. 750 pips. 750 pips. So that is the minimum. 500 is the minimum when you get a storyline confirmed at 2 time frame lower. But when you get the confirmation of the 4 hour, for example, daily rejects and then confirmation of breakout at the H4, it will give you about 1000 pips, about 1000 when it is a 4 hour breakout. But this is a 2 time frame breakout. That's why I say we always get 500 pips. I will be explaining more about the setups when we are taking setups anyway. So that is exactly how the storyline, how you can confirm the storyline. Guys, I watched that this video helps a lot about the storyline confirmation, and yeah, for more information it's still continue because we still explaining more about the storyline. When we finish the storyline, we go the MTF, so that you will be a prefect of all about the storyline and multi-time frames. So anyway, let us watch the next video, guys. Let us watch the next videos. I wish you the best and have a good time. Bye bye.